So we are back out here at Kyler's. I don't know how we're going to start this one off. I don't know if it's going to be an extension of where we broke the head bolt or what, but we're back out here. We got the head fixed. Kyler took it to his local machine shop. We got that bolt extracted out. We also got a new cam cap from the junkyard, which actually ended up being perfect. They didn't have to do any line holding, so we're good there. We also got the banjo boy here. We just got everything in time, spec'd. We were good there. We are good there. Putting the tire ring covers on. Kyler is bleeding the brakes with Colton. He's got all that in the car. I think he's sourced a bunch of parts, make sure everything can go good today. Hopefully, the only downfall is he found an issue with the gas tank. The gas tank had some pinholes in it, some rust and everything, so he took that to radiator shop and getting that fixed. So, gonna finish putting this together. I don't have my tripod today, so we can't get some cool shots. Might be able to use a tripod off the gimbal, but we'll see. Regardless, let's get this in the car right now. So every single one of these motherfuckers, probably shouldn't cuss, every one of these sons of are stuck. And this is the method I came up with to get these things unstuck. I'll do one more. I think this one's too. Ow! There we go. Alright, Colton. That is the setup.
Yeah. Oh, the screwdriver. Okay. Tyler, how's it going?
He said, huh?
Take you one! Take on anyone!
I already know the mic picked all that up, even though it's sitting on me. On top of this, we were using this.
Yeah, what we got there?
I don't know. It's whatever Kyler pulled out of his. This must be what they use on semis or whatever. Yeah. So I've probably doused these things like 6 times. Kyler did it twice, let him set, and it finally broke loose once I got this set up. So I was trying to do it with my hand, that was not working. So.
Back on, we'll take you on! Back on, take on it! This is the B series, it go wing pow! Holy shit. Only went to Japan one time.
Alright, so Kyler got his nice valve cover all painted because that is something Kyler does. Every motor he's got to have the valve cover painted. Yeah, the hardware. So the motor could be blown up, but at least the valve cover looks good. Are those extra? Those extra?
Well, so we have one for here, but...
Oh, we're missing that?
Yeah, this circle thing here wouldn't fit here, so he went to grind the shit out of it.
Did we not just move the head over? Like that?
It wouldn't fit in between here.
Oh.
It was too wide, so he went to grind it. But yeah, we do have one extra, so...
Well, that's because Kyler loses, so they knew.
Probably. Doesn't the VTEC valve cover have more than the normal one?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure he probably does, and he ordered the VTEC one. That don't matter.
No comprendo.
No, and Kyler probably. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, wear your safety goggles and use a tool instead of your hand. Yeah, safety squints.
A rag is a tool.
A rag gets caught.
Bro. Oh, you were here. I've been sitting here for like 2-3 months.
Anyone who buys Nelly's truck, this is what the oil pan looks like.
Oh, look.
The bolts aren't in there, but look at this.
Imagine what your head looks like. Nelly, do you ever change your oil? You know you have to do that like...
I got the fucking truck like...
You gotta do that like 10,000 miles.
Buy a truck, let me know.
What are you doing now, Kyler?
He dropped it.
What the f? What'd I tell you? Is it under the truck?
I don't know. I want you to get out of my way now.
Look at how big this thing is.
That's what she said to me.
Shit's crazy. Semi is crazy.
Oh, I caught.
Hey, when you grind metal, it usually warms up. Just FYI. Ooh, you're basically a machinist.
Yeah, but
Just tap her in. Give her a little tippy tap.
Oh no.
There you go.
very nice, very nice.
Colton didn't believe in the process. We got it.
It's just not.
It'll be fine, brother.
DMS?
No one's gonna notice that when you see the valve cover.
What?
Because it's sexy.
Get the sweat off his forehead.
We got one extra.
Yeah, he has an extra.
Oh, there.
Well, there you go.
Tyler, I'm not gonna lie to you. These look like bow stem cats. You know,
That's
I'm not
probably
gonna
what
lie
they-
to you. Mind your own business.
Be nice to Nelly.
He hates BQs, guys. Oh, I thought I was about to say he hates Mexican.
No, well, that's true.
Some, yeah.
He only likes Guatemalans.
Dude, Guatemalans are pretty cool. Nelly's pretty cool for a big bean.
Big bean.
Big bean.
All right, time to go get some Nelly food. There's Nelly. It's time to go get some Nelly food.
Taco time! Tres asado tacos, por favor.
Es grande mollo pendejo. La. The game, if we had like a corner kick, I had to run all the way across the field and just fucking try to participate in it.
Or like I could remember being goalie and like if they were, I would run and do the throw in and like run back.
The angriest one to his.
Say consomme.
Oh, it's like,
Yeah, I know.
what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Oh, what?
All right, so we got the car down.
Yeah.
You want to pressure wash it?
Engine bay.
Okay. Pressure wash this.
Yeah.
You need to put the intake manifold on. Magnet tray.
Should probably put the intake on.
Yeah. And exhaust?
Yeah, flip it upside down, right?
Yes. I think we should take the oil pan off too. You like that? He got that thing for a steal.
Pretty sick.
It's gonna sound really good.
In the B series.
It'll probably fire.
So what?
Those. It'll
What
just,
injectors are those?
they're B18 A1 injectors,
What cc?
bigger than stock.
Not much.
How much bigger?
Not much. Like stock's what, 250 cc?
Yeah, so like just quadruple that maybe.
Oh, just triple.
Triple?
750.
Man.
I feel like that's small on an LS. So I was just like, I'm sorry.
Kyler. Kyler goes, what's stock cc? 230, I think.
235.
Oh, I bought 750s. They should be all right?
We'll just have to get Honda sooner than expected.
All right, bolt this shit up.
That's the problem, though. What I want to pressure wash over here is in the way, so I'm thinking I'm just going to shove some rags. I'm going to shove
Okay,
rags.
shove rags.
We want to shove rags over
Yeah,
here?
we're probably going to shove rags over
What about up here? You got the spark plugs? Did you buy NGK?
Huh?
Did you buy NGK spark plugs?
Buy spark plugs and spark plug wire.
I mean the spark plug wires. You buy NGK?
Now, should I?
Yes. Any Japanese is NGK.
Ching pow!
So I need to order aftermarket spark plugs?
He's dude. Yeah, we'll get to it.
Yeah.
What the f was that?
It's f***ing broken. I just showed it to Cole.
Nelly got hungry. We just ate.
I did get it. Easy, don't scratch. Scratch my paint, cuz.
Get your rags.
Oh yeah.
Working with Kyler is constantly poking at him. Hey, let's do this. Hey, we gotta go do this.
ADD kicked in, I'm sorry.
That's why he had to get Beth out here. Because if he came out here, you just sit there in that chair after doing one thing.
It's happened before,
We all love Kyler though.
except for Kyle.
Getting it?
Get off my hose!
You're not gonna pressure wash it?
I don't really want to dig it out.
You're gonna regret not doing it. Because we gotta pressure wash that.
Yeah, true.
Might as well dig it out. Yeah. You can tell her Kyler don't want to do something. Alright. Kyler's gonna spend like an hour doing that. So, me and the amigos are doing the brakes on that. So, I'm not really gonna record it, but this thing is about to shine bright.
Like a diamond!
I was hoping you'd get that.
Like a diamond! Oh, beautiful like diamonds in the sky!
Oh my goodness. Look at that
Bright
nose,
like a diamond!
nose drip.
Always got the nose drip. You should see what's in my beard right now, probably. I can feel it.
Hopefully I can zoom in on editing.
I got it dripping in my ear. I sweat in my ear holes.
Did you have to pump them real quick?
I did that before I
Good.
BBL Blizzard, BBL Blizzard, ooh, what the hell? BBL Blizzard.
All right, Colton's giving us a rundown.
Rundown, here we are. It's in there, missing a mount, and no, not the mount, the adapter. So this region here, oh yeah. So this goes in here, and there's supposed to be some kind of sorcery here that bolts onto the transmission. It's just gone.
And adapter goes here, and then that mounts to the adapter.
Yeah.
Some Honda witchcraft.
Yeah. So that's about it, pretty much. It's setting in here by a couple mounts. That's all we got. Header zone, intake zone. Kyler could not run his Hot Boy fuel rail here. He's pretty upset about, but we're gonna get there. We'll get there.
Can he run it?
Do what?
Why can't he run it?
Well, Kyler fashion.
I thought I heard some mumbling.
The fuel tank is an hour or so away getting cleaned because it's all crusty, rusty. Also,
This fuel filter right here needs a banjo to A and fitting.
banjo.
To
Bing,
go,
bing, 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 bing.
to go to this.
Yeah, that's why we
So-
could leave it on there, but.
Banjo to this. A and fitting to banjo.
Oh yeah, he's missing something up here. I don't even know what this part is. I was preoccupied.
So up here, there's you can see the bolts right here. They're hanging down. There's a traction bar that goes here, and then there's radius arms that go to the control arms that help with this motion when you're driving.
Yeah.
So that's fucking gone. I don't know where the hell that's at.
Yeah. The moral of the story, I said it earlier, B series go wing pow. Not today.
No wing pow today.
No wing pow today.
Wing.
That's all we got. Good night.
Wu-Tang Hot Boy fucking fuel railroad. And I'm like, yeah, I got one of them Hot Boy damn fancy fuel rail motherfucking bird. Wow.
Yeah, kinda. Pretty much.
We're getting there. This time next week. Oh shit, I don't fit. This time next week, it's gonna be like, oh, there's a key in here.
Turn it on.
One dun 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 dun. One dun 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 dun. Hold on, I got. One dun 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 one dun 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 dun. One dun one dun 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 one dun 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 one dun 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 one dun 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 one dun 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 dun. Yeah, that's probably how it's gonna go.
Yep, it's gonna blow just like the rest of the LSs.
Oh.
All right, we'll do. You stand all over there so we do a mic test. Make sure it actually works.
Hey, you got me? You got me? What about now?